Panguva inoi Wikino Chivayo obuda panguva inoi vamwe voti ndo drama chairo achiti I'm happy this trauma is over. Chivayo obuda panguva inoi achiti aiwa zvaidondishungurudza kuti ndinokupawo ma-allegations ekuti ndakauya ndikanopinda madhiri emaballot printing kuZEC muna 2023 achiti handimbozvizivi, kunyange evidence iripo imwe yekuSouth Africa, mamwe mapictures, mamwe matransactions, zviro zvakaexposiwa nethe intelligence unit yekuSouth Africa. But panguva inoi ouya achiti I'm happy this trauma is over after ZAC yauya ikabuda pachinakati Wikino Chivayo takashaya evidence yekuti he was part of ma 2023 election printing. Don't subscribe or like on the bell kuti mnapana pamunomobuda nyika. Flamboyant businessman Wikino Chivayo is ecstatic that Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission ZAC is formally cleared him of graft allegations linked to a multi-million-dollar Zimbabwe Electoral Commission tender. Speaking to the Daily News, the country's most influential newspaper, the larger-than-life Chivayo also contended yesterday that he had lost many business opportunities after he was mired in the procurement controversy related to election materials for the 2023 national elections. This comes after ZAC it opened an investigation into the $40 million deal following a complaint by the now incarcerated businessmen Mark Chimombe and Moses Mpofu, who had a nasty and public fallout with Chivayo, whom they accused of allegedly sidelining them in the sharing of spoils of the deal. This development brings an immense sense of relief to me, and it finally vindicates me after a long period of public speculation which adversely affected me. Thomas Kwantogwa panapa na Wikino Chivayo achiti aiwa ndinofara, it's more like a relief. Panguva ino ndichiona kuti aiwa ZEC it has vindicated me. Pena comment section medu mbudza mafungiro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro pemashoko otaurwa naChivayo. Pena comment section medu musanga subscribe or like cheta mabell icon.